Hi, welcome back to day 18 of our 28-day challenge for shifting states in Tai Chi Flows. Today we're going to be doing Tai Chi breathing. So let's open by shifting our weight to the right, going up the left heel, placing the left ball of foot, rolling down to the heel, distributing the weight 50-50. Arms float up. Arms float down, lifting water. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Floating. Sinking. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale. Raise your arms. Fingertips to the sky, palms to the front. Sink the tailbone. Relax, relax, relax into the Tai Chi ready position. Now turn your palms, palm to palm. Like you're hugging a tree. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows. Now move your hands apart, opening up the chest. As you inhale, move the hands back together like you're hugging a tree. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale through the nose if you can. Exhale, you can exhale through the nose as well. Or you can inhale and exhale through the mouth with a sigh of relief, making a ha sound. Inhale. Ha. Now come back to hugging a tree and relax, relax. We're holding this ball. Rotate the ball. Left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, and lower the ball. Now keep on going with the left hand. Compress the ball and exhale. Then move the palms apart. Inhale and expand. Exhale, compress. Inhale, expand. Breathing out. Breathing in. Sinking, compressing, floating, inhaling, expanding. Now breathe in, expand, rotate the ball. Right hand on top, it compresses as we exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, rotate, compress, exhale, inhale, rotate, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, Inhale, circle. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take the ball, rotate it up to chest level. Fingertips to the sky. Let the hands float down. Sink the weight back to the right. Pull in the left. Heel down. Circle up. Inhale. Exhale, relaxing from head to toe. One more time. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow.